Troubleshooting syncing issues in Microsoft Word. If you're having issues syncing your progresses on Microsoft Word, the first thing we can do is check our internet connection. On macOS, you can go to the Wi-Fi toggle from the top right hand side, try to turn off Wi-Fi, try to turn it on back again and see if that actually helps you solve the problem. The second thing you want to check is that your Microsoft Word app is updated to the latest version. So go to your app store and from wherever you downloaded it, and in the search bar just search for the Word application, and you simply want to check if the Word app has an update, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. If that doesn't help, you also want to make sure that your account is signed in properly and that you're using the same Microsoft account across all the devices. So you can go to sign in button from the top left of the Microsoft Word homepage, and here you can use a proper Microsoft account to sync your progresses across all the devices. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.